Dear students, I welcome you in the lecture series of first module of branch accounting. Under this, we shall learn in detail the meaning and objectives of branch accounting, then significance of branch accounting. We shall also learn various types of branches which are being classified on the basis of location. The objective of this lecture is to have an insight of theoretical aspect of branch accounting. Meaning of branch accounting. As the business grows, the significance of branch accounting increases because a business can grow by tapping more customers. When the expansion of business is there, we can take the help of branches and can expand our business to capture more customers. Branch accounting refers to bookkeeping system in which separate accounts are maintained for each branch of an organization. Objectives of branch accounting. The first objective of branch accounting is to determine the profit and loss of each and every branch. In order to achieve this objective, it is important to maintain separate records for each branch. The accounting records maintained by each branch will ultimately help to measure the efficiency of respective branches. Second objective is to examine the financial position of business. The accounting records maintained by each branch facilitates in ascertaining the true financial position of business house. Third objective is to comply with statutory requirements. In order to meet the requirements of specific enactments, all the branches of company must keep the accounts for audit purposes. Fourth objective is to increase efficiency of the branch. Through branch accounting, the company can assess the strength and weaknesses of a branch. If a branch is running in loss, the weaknesses or drawbacks can be well determined in time and accordingly corrective actions can be taken. Hence, branch accounting can be helpful in improving the efficiency of the branch. Last objective is to exercise control our branch. Branch accounting serves as a source of information for the head office. Through this source of information, the head office can determine the requirements of branch as well as exercises control over them. Significance of branch accounting. As the business grows, the significance of branch accounting increases because a business can grow by tapping more customers. If customers are scattered all over and cannot be tapped from one place, the objective can be achieved by opening branches at far-flung places. Because more the tapping of customers, more would be our production or market share. So, in order to enhance the market share, in order to enhance the productivity, in order to enhance the production, we need to open the branches at various states or at various places. Therefore, where the expansion of business is, there we can take the help of branches and can expand our business to capture more customers. Now we can discuss types of branches. On the basis of location, we can classify branches into two categories: inland branches and foreign branches. Inland branches. Inland branches are those branches which are within the territories of the country. For example, when we talk of India, these branches can be in different states. One can be in Maharashtra, other can be in Jammu. So as per the location they are known as inland branches, as they are situated within the territory of specified country. Second one is foreign branches. Foreign branches are those branches which are situated outside the country. For example, when we talk of India, its foreign branch can be a branch which is situated in Singapore or a branch which is situated in USA. So these are two important classification of branches on the basis of location. Thank you.